that's going to sit right there. Oh, fancy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi. I am in my car once again, and I promise I'm not naked. I have a tank top on. It's finally, what is it, 68 degrees outside. So I pulled out my tank tops. Actually, I just bought this the other day and I thought it was cute, so I wanted to wear it today. So I did. So right now it's 11:27 and it's Monday, May 13th. I work 12 to 6 today. And that's literally all I have planned for the day. I feel awkward vlogging right now because there's a whole window. It's all glass, it's a chiropractor place, and they can all see in. And I feel like I need to keep my hair behind my shoulders so I don't look naked. But like, guys, I promise I have a shirt on. I'm not naked. And there's like construction people like literally everywhere trying to get the yoga place open. They open on Friday, so that's gonna be fun. Oh, we're putting a mop bucket together. Interesting. They must be cleaning the floors in there. This morning I went and got a shake. I got white chocolate peanut butter cup and then strawberry kiwi tea. I gotta be very careful today because my pants, if you guys can see, this is my camera case, but my pants are white. So I cannot spill on them today. So that's my goal, is to not spill on myself. We do have like a coffee bar thing that we had first, it's called like Sisterhood Saturday. We participated, and then yesterday was Mother's Day, so we had it out. And there's still coffee, and so I was gonna get coffee at work, but like, that was a loud truck. It's still going, okay. But I figured if I had the black coffee, I'd probably spill it all over myself. So I went with pink tea. What a great second option. So yeah, I'm just gonna FaceTime Easton for a bit, and then I'm gonna head into work. Today is my first day off of work in like 12 days. So I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do today. Like, I haven't had like just a chill day in a long time. I actually just woke up about an hour ago. It's 10:07 right now. You guys couldn't even see that, it was white. I'm gonna be putting some lotion on my face while I talk because gotta multitask. But basically, if you don't know, I have security cameras at my house, and everyone in my family has texted me this morning and says, there's packages outside, you have to go get them. You can't leave the packages outside. So that's why I got up, because I have to go get all the packages that are outside, which I looked, and they're actually like kind of big packages, so I don't even know what they like are. And I'm just gonna brush my hair down a little bit because it is looking a little crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna go downstairs and get these packages. It looks really cold outside and I only have shorts on, so like, let's hope I don't freeze. Oh my god, there is a lot of packages out here. Package haul. My mom, I need to cover the address. My mom got a package from the Minted Olive. I wear her stuff all the time. This is actually a Minted Olive sweater. My brother got a package, and then Kat got a package. She got some cat food. Here she is. Hi. She loves this blanket. It's like really soft. We have it sitting on the couch. We have like this other one under here, but she doesn't like this one. I don't know why she likes this red one, but she does. She lays here all the time. Okay, back in my room now. But basically, oh my god, that's really white. There we go. Basically, plan for the day. I'm almost out of some of my like face toner stuff, and so I have to run to Ulta to get some more. And then I also just haven't been to the mall in a long time, and I kind of want to walk around. I know a lot of Patagonia stuff is 30% off, so I want to go check all that out. And then I'm finally hanging out with Easton. I haven't seen him since last Thursday, so it's been a week since I've seen him. And so I'm finally gonna hang out with him today. And so I figured I could vlog today since I'm finally like doing things. I also wanted to go get my nails done, but I think I'm gonna wait. I have Monday off too, so I think I'm gonna do that on Monday, because that following Monday, Memorial Day, me and my mom and dad are actually going to Minnesota to visit my grandma. She's in a nursing home there, and that's where like my aunts live, and so we're gonna go down there and visit for a few days. And so I want them looking nice when I go there. And so that's why I think I'm gonna wait a little bit longer to go get them done. I'm literally out of breath, but I think I'm just gonna watch some more YouTube, and that's gonna be everything I'm doing today. So I'm all ready for the day now. I just checked the weather and it says it's 55 out. You guys can kind of see it. I don't know, it's very like cloudy out, not really sunny. My dad really needs to fertilize our grass. It's like not looking too good. So I have this like light sweater on. I don't know if I'm gonna get warm or not. I don't really know, but it's just like a terry cloth kind of material. How come nothing focuses? Okay, you can kind of see it in the middle, and then the bottom has like the overlap, and then I just have on some black Lululemons, and I'm gonna wear some sandals, and then I got my precious little baby here. And so that's my outfit. I also need to take a picture for Florida Day. If you guys don't know, I worked with them. I posted a video 2-ish weeks ago, I want to say, and I still haven't took a picture with the clothes. I have all their clothes still sitting in that bag that they sent me, and I need to take a picture to post on Instagram because that was part of the brand deal, and so I have to do that today. Oh, the sun's kind of starting to come out. Maybe I shouldn't wear the sweater, but me and Easton are going to eat, so I know I'm gonna get cold, so I should keep the sweater on. But this is the sweater that I want to take the picture in, but it's really, really cute, and so I figured I would do it. I'm just gonna wear it with my leggings. I'm gonna do a close-up with some sunglasses. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, I need to do that. I also got these jeans yesterday from work, and so I figured I could show you. They are the Can brand. If you guys watched, I think it was my spring haul, I talked about how Cans are like my favorite brand of jean now, and these are just a plain pair. I do have some that have some de-stressing on them, and the bottom has some de-stressing too, and then I have some white ones, and the bottom are fringe, but these ones are just plain, and they were, I kept the tag on them, they were $41. So I'm just gonna finish getting ready a little bit, and then I'm gonna head to Ulta. Okay, this is gonna sit right there, let's hope so. So I'm done with Ulta. Got 3 things. My total was $43.53. Actually that's pretty good for going into Ulta. First thing I got was this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I have a cleansing balm at home that I love. It's from Beauty Counter. It's literally my favorite face wash ever. Every time I bought it, it ended up being almost $100, and I feel bad because my mom was paying for it, and for her to pay for that, it makes me feel bad. So I want to try this one and see if I like it. If not, I'll go back to the Beauty Counter one. This was $29.50 if you were wondering. And then I got 2 face masks. They're both from Formula 10.0.6. I don't know if that's a brand or not. But this one is a strawberry and yarno, and this one's Keiko and charcoal. Yeah, I don't know. They're these. One's a pores one's like oil controlling. My skin doesn't get oily. I don't know. This one sounded cool, so I got it. And those were both $5.95. Oh, they're 20% off today. So, well, this isn't gonna go up for a while, but they are on sale. So that's everything I got at Ulta. Easton still hasn't showered. I need to go pick him up, and so to kill time, I am gonna go to TJ Maxx. I want to see, if you guys know, I have like that thing that has all my makeup in it, that like clear thing. I want to see if they have another one of those or something similar that I could put all my makeup palettes in. My plans changed. I am no longer going to go to TJ Maxx. Easton's ready now. I actually just came home and dropped off all that stuff I just showed you from Ulta because I don't want to leave it in my car. It is 60 degrees out. It is really windy, so like it doesn't feel like it's 60, but with the sun like beaming in the car, like it's hot in my car, and I didn't want it to melt, so I just dropped it off at home. So now I'm going to run and pick up Easton, and then we're gonna head to the mall. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog in the mall, probably not too much. I'm just gonna spend time with him because I haven't seen him in a week. I literally feel like we're in a long distance relationship and we live like 10 minutes away from each other, but that's what happens when you have a job and I don't know, whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna go pick up Easton. Hi guys, so it's actually a lot later. It's almost 8 p.m. right now. Me and Easton went and got some lunch from Applebee's. I had a salad, a Caesar salad, and some mozzarella sticks, and then we went to Shields, and then I just started not to feel good. I don't know what it is, but whenever I eat food that like isn't cooked by my mom, I just get sick, and so I did not feel good. So I came home, took a nap, and now we're here. I want to try one of my new face masks. I'm not sure which one yet. I need to read about them. Kind of want to do this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. It's the Take Back Control Oil Controlling Mud Mask. It's got like little beads. It smells really, really good. It like low-key smells like sunscreen. I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna paint this on my face. Can you guys see that? It has like little beads in it. Okay, that is on now. I also turned on my lamp just to have a little bit more light in here. I actually have a lot of stuff here to show you guys. For the past 2 months, actually, Ipsy like hasn't sent me my bag, and so I got like a replacement bag from the month, what was last month, April, and then I just got my May one, and then I also got the Ipsy box, and so I figured I could just show you guys. I haven't showed you guys anything I got from Ipsy in a long time, so I figured might as well do it now. So we're gonna start with my replacement bag. This month was like, or last month was like a really cute lemon bag, and I was very excited for it because I love lemon printed things, and I didn't get it. So I also didn't get it the month before too, which was March. I got a replacement for that one too. First thing I got was the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I got this in the shade Light. I'm just gonna open it up. Also, it's like a pretty big size compared to my hand. This is a Luminous Collagen Eye Cream from Answer From. This is base tape from Tarte. It's a hydrating primer. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know that was a thing. And then this is a Hikari Cream Pigment in the shade Envy. I'll probably never ever wear this. It's like a greenish color. That's everything for that one. I feel like I had more. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I only got 4 things. I don't know. I'm not sure what else I got. But moving on to this month, I actually got the right bag, and it's very sparkly. I love it. First thing I got in here was a makeup brush. I'm not sure of the brand. It doesn't say, but it is just very fluffy, and then it's got like the sparkles in it. I also got this Ofra lip, which I love. This is in the shade Mocha, and it looks very, very nice. I love this color. This is a Pixie Skin Treats H2O skin drink. And then in here, it's a cute little box. Look at the packaging on that. Like how cute is that? Glow Awakening. So it's like a highlighter stick. And then final thing for this month are 2 masks. This is an Intense Hydration Spirulina mask from Your Race. Got 2 of those. And then moving on to the box, this is new from Ipsy. You can now get a Glam Bag Plus, which is what it says. And it's just a box. This is $25, but it's full-size products. So the first thing I got in there was this primer. It's a Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This is it. Might need my hand to focus it, so let's put it down. So this is the packaging. Next, I got 2 lip liners in these 2 colors. So like a pink and kind of a red. Not gonna focus. Okay, you guys can kind of see it. And then I also got 3 sheet masks. These are from Glam Glow. They're the bubble sheet mask, and so these are ones that like bubble on your face. So I got 3 of those. This is a nude stick. This is a tinted blur stick. I'm pretty sure it's just like a foundation. I'm not really sure. It didn't come in like any packaging or anything. Oh, it says right here, a tinted sheer coverage, lightweight, all over the face stick that blurs texture to have a natural, smooth, #no filter skin. And then very last thing I got was an eyeshadow palette. This is by Wander Beauty, and this one is the Wanderous Seascape. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I love all these shades. I'll probably never use the blue shade, but they're all really pretty. They're all shimmers, and then this one is a matte. So I'm super excited to use this. So that's basically all I'm going to do for tonight. I might vlog again tomorrow. I'm not sure. I have work, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, it's Sunday. It's actually pretty late in the day. It's 5:03 right now. Can't even see that, but my shirt is falling down. I just got home from work probably like 30 minutes ago, and I figured I could just come on here, show you guys some stuff, and then end this vlog. I got 2 things from work these past few days that I haven't been vlogging. The first one is this tank top. It is so cute. It's got buttons down it. I figured this would be cute with dark jeans and with white jeans, and so I got it. It is $26, if you can see that, and it is online, so if you like this, you can go buy it. We actually just redid our whole website, and so it's really cute. I always have the website linked down below in my little I don't know, it's in one of the sections in my description box. It's like where I work, and it has a little link, so definitely go check that out. And then if you guys don't know, I use this bag all the time. It's fake Louis Vuitton, never full. Well, the strap is like about to rip off, and so I figured it's time for me to get a new work bag. And so I picked up this one. It is from Boutique 23, and in inventory it says there's another one. There's not one in Bismarck, so I'm assuming it's in the Linton store, but we have another one. It's called like the Cindy bag. It has adjustable straps. It does have a crossbody strap, and then it has the little clip to close it, and then inside it has like another pouch, but you can this like unclips, and so you can take this out. I just have it in there because I think it's cute. And so this is my new work bag. I really like it, and it's a little bit nicer than that other one, so I'm excited. A little bit more stylish. This shirt just does not want to stay up. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this here. Tomorrow I have the day off, so I'm hoping to film a little swimsuit collection video for you guys. It's still cold here in North Dakota, but I know in other places it's starting to get warm, so you guys can look forward to that on Wednesday. And then I'm not sure what Sunday's video is going to be yet. If you guys haven't noticed, I do upload on Sundays and Wednesdays, but I don't really have a specific time that I upload. I just upload when the video is ready. Like, it's 5 o'clock on Sunday, and my video probably won't be ready till 8ish. Be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.